Okay, come southeast. Come southeast. Start bonking this wall here. Yo, careful over the wall. Careful over the wall. Spread northeast side now. Start bonking the wall here. Start bonking the wall.
Shaper.
It's okay, shaper. Okay, start bonking. Spread now, and start bonking the walls here. Okay. Yo, defend shallow. Okay, now bonk now. Bonk now. It's okay, just bonk now. Careful, ano ba yan? Baka bomb squad kasi. Now bonk. Bonk. Yo, I need more tanks bonking.
May brimstone sa southwest brimstone.
Okay, careful. Okay. Ilang percent yung wall? Yung etong west side wall, alam ko mas mabilis, mas mapupukpok na to eh. Etong kunasan si Sweet.
50 na lang yan.
Ito pukpuin nyo muna to, focus nyo muna to para hindi sila lumapit-lapit sa atin. Ready? Defense, fake. Full defend now. Okay, good. Now, if you don't have cleric or boots, just get out, okay? If you don't have cleric or boots, keep bonking.
Protect niyo si Wayne nasa GA
Garden West tulungan niyo si Wayne. Shaper. Come northeast side. You guys be northeast side more, okay? Be northeast side more, okay? You just bonk this side here. Focus on this side muna. Focus on this southwest side muna. Okay?
DPS, na lang, guys.
There's a wall here na mas masira na. Yo, ingat sa Shaper, please. Yo, defense, wait. Good. Now keep bonking now.
May tumitingin ba sa south?
Keep bonking now. Bonk. Ilang percent na yan?
30.
Okay. Careful. Ready, defense. Defend up front. Defend, heal win. Yo, careful left na ka. Wala tayong defenses. Okay, wala tayong defenses. Care. No bonk. They don't have engage. No shaper engage, no heal front.
May hodge sa gate.
Yeah, careful on the gate
NV.
Okay. Ano game V?
NV bot si Zancher.
Okay, akala ko Yo, bonk it. Everyone OC now.
Sumitilip yung hodge. Hodge.
They now have a bomb squad also. Listen, enemies. Shaper. Okay, good. Yo, ilang percent yan? Sabihin mo sa akin pag 1% na lang
Exit na ako mo, Gaya.
7.
Okay, yo, don't smash it. Don't fully smash it. Okay, just leave it like 3% or 1%. Okay, yo, no, full smash now. Everyone get ready, Southwest shallow, get ready, Bonk. Southwest shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest shallow. Bakit. Defend.
Nice guard runes.
Wala yung basta mo niya.
Pull back, northeast. Pull back. Okay, OC now. Okay, now bonk this other gate here, southeast side, okay? Everyone come east side. Yo, look at this tank inside. Perma engage, southwest shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Perma engage, shallow. Come back agad. Ready, defense. Come back. Cleanses. Spread northeast. Defense shallow. The caller died, okay? Hold. Shaper. Yo, the caller died, okay? Zancher's calling now, okay? Yo, bonk this southeast side now. Heal up on everyone, okay? Yo, Marlika, get ready. Hold. Southwest shallow. On me only. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me only. Kite back east side. Kite back northeast side. Yo, kite back northeast side. Ready. They're looking. Pilo. Yo, main engage is coming soon. Come northeast. Pull back. Come southeast. Yo, we bonk this wall now. Come southeast. Yo, listen. Come southeast. Everyone come southeast. SC. Bonk this wall now. Shaper. Okay, come east side. Okay. Yo, now spread east side now. Okay. Now bonk this wall now.
Marami nagbobong.
Yo, careful front, okay? Only like four people.
Brimstone on west.
Defend shallow. Okay, no. Yo, everyone get ready. Wait, bomb coming. Careful. Shallow, west side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow west side. Okay, kite back. Come back. Heal Wayne. Okay, good. Come back. Yo, main engage gonna come soon, careful. Def tanks, keep bonking. Ilang percent yung wall na yan?
Na-repair nila.
Yo, shaper. Yo, ilang percent yung wall na to? Yo,
Na-repair, na-repair.
Repair.
Pre, isang tao lang nag-repair, pre.
Nakatingin.
Naka-terrate yan eh. Yung nagbubog,
Direct
hindi
rin naman
terrate.
dapat kayo eh.
Hindi, yun ang
Sabi ko
tignan mo.
direct kayo eh. Yo, hodge looking. Defense shallow. Yo, bomb squad's gonna come soon, careful. Southwest over the wall, get ready. 5, 4, 3,
Stand,
2,
stand.
1, southwest over the wall. Oh, come back. Yo, bomb gonna come, get ready defenses.
Solo. Gago siya.
Yo, more hammers. Yo, shaper. Yo, I need hammers. Ready defenses They're gonna look soon, careful.
Pag-hammer
Just
kayo.
hold his head, yes.
Nag-hammer.
Pwede nyo rin, yung iba pwede rin hammer yung wall na to eh. Careful Ilang percent?
40. 46.
Okay.
Looking
Looking, ready defenses. Yo, careful, help front.
Nice, bedrock.
Defense shallow. Okay, good. They miss. Everyone start bonking now.
May min-engage pa
No, that was main engage.
Bomb squad yun.
No, that was main engage.
Main yun, main daddy, main.
Bam.
Bomb shaper. Okay. Yo, help front. Just keep bonking. Southwest shallow, get ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest shallow. Oh, come back agad. Come back agad. Cleanses, come back. You're ready defense on me. Ready defense on the J. Okay, then bulk. Smash it. Smash. Ready defenses in the front.
Andyan yung main color.
Okay, main color looking Ready, careful. Yo, careful. Raymond, too deep, man. You're a bedrock with a demon armor. You don't need to be that close.
15. 10.
Okay. Defense shallow.
Shipper.
Now full
bottom
box
na,
this.
nasa-
You look at me. On top of me. 5. Wait after the J. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything on me. Okay, call it dead. Judge dead, okay? Now hold. Come back.
May color pa.
Yeah. Main color there. Main color still there, okay? Just bonk that. Destroy that wall, okay? Yo, listen, we just fire. Yo, careful. Too many northeast. Good.
Oh my God.
Tangina Ang retarded nyo kasi eh. Ba't ang dami nyo kasi dun?
Naglulut sila.
Stupid fucks, man. You start bonking this.
Saan ako
1%
namatay?
Mugya. Basag na.
Yeah, seriously, man. Seriously. Fix yourselves. Bonk this other wall. Fucking retards, man. Fucking retards.
Looking.
Yeah, waiting for gear. Defense shallow. Everyone, southwest. Everyone, get ready. Yo, west side, shallow. On me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. West side, shallow. Okay, back northeast mo. Kahit back northeast mo na. Yo, come northeast mo na. Northeast. North. Keep kiting. Let them walk out. Yo, careful front. Help front. Keep them northeast, okay? Yeah. I'm gonna wait for the gears. 5, 6 people dead in party 1? Seriously.
Nakatingin sa dead body.
Naka-NB yung bomber nilang yan.
Spread northeast.
Yung 999, yung 999, di mo nila kasama yun, di ba? Kasama ba nila yun? Solo rat bomber yun eh.
Nabam kami ng nasa likod.
Yung
Sa
Ayan, yung loot. Ayan, na kayo mag-loot.
walang nakatingin.
Tama mo, loot. Ang ina.
Looking na sa'yo, looking na.
Tata na rin eh.
Hold north. Ready to headbutt. I'm waiting for the gears.
Halatang namatay sa loot sa dead body.
Comes out. Yeah, they have a bomb squad on
Okay,
the
walang
south.
mark daw, Dandy.
Yeah. Fine. Minark ko yung hodge nila. Yo, start bonking this south wall. Ready defenses Spread kayo east side. Huwag kayo north side. Spread kayo east side. Yo, if ever they go out, we kite south If ever they go out, we kite south, okay? Just spread. Yo, somebody watch my south side in case bomb squad's there.
Coming,
Defense shallow. Heal fall.
It's fine.
Oh, now bonk.
Sakit na.
Oh, shipper.
Shipper.
Stay far away from it and just bonk these walls here. Namatay
42 Patulong.
Yo, careful, they're looking. Ready, everyone, west side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. West side. Come back. Okay, just hold. Heal up. Yeah, bomb squad's still gonna come. Okay.
Shaper.
Shaper coming. Baka mag-deep yung shaper
Nandito naman lang yung bomb nasa south.
Shaper. Defenses. Okay. Oh,
Dalawa na Shaper.
bonk this wall. Yung tingnan nyo lang na Shaper, yung problema yung GM ng Helios. Yun lang. Yo, careful north side. Ang dami nyo dyan sa north side. Death tanks. Yeah, Death tanks ang dami nyo dyan sa north side. Defend shallow. Everyone west side shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. West side shallow. Ay, come back. Yo. Listen. If they engage, pa-heal yun na lang. Okay? Di ba nag-engage sila? West side? Nakikita nyo? Pag nag-engage sila, i-heal yun yung ka-counter-engage natin. Okay?
Broken na to
Good. I comes out. Take space. Take space a bit, okay? Yo, can somebody break this wall here? Southwest. Careful.
They're looking,
Yo, ready. Fake only. Southwest, everyone. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest now. Oh, come back. Yo, actually, okay. We try something else, okay? And then engage, pop your potion, walk in. We're gonna engage backline, okay? Potions, okay? Because you need to pass the guardian armors, the knight armors, okay? On their next main engage, get ready. Deftox, get ready to walk in and hold them, okay? You're ready your potion, get ready. Their engage is gonna come. Get ready to pop your potion, okay? Kahit pa GA yung backline nila, para lang ma-setup, okay? Get ready.
Sige mo gi-catch ko yung backline nila.
Ready your potions, okay? No fear. Ready full defense and pop your pods, Ready. Looking, okay? Ready your potions, okay? Okay, wait. Just hold.
Coming.
Hold. Wait. Step up, everyone. Pop your pods southwest. Walking deep. Just walk. Everything on the gate, west side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything now. No.
Good.
Come back now. Hold them. Deftox help everyone. Okay, come. Yo, ready. They're looking. Defend shallow. Oh, everyone, walk in. Deftox hold them. Okay, Deftox walk in. 7 seconds. Hold them on the gate. Hold them on the gate. Okay. Take space out now. Yo, on the gate. West side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the gate. Kill this guys. Okay. Now spread east side. Take space east side. Take space east side. Hill front. Okay. Yo, spread east side. Okay. Yo, start killing the guards inside. Start killing the guards inside. Heal me. Stop staying on the choke.
Patay ako.
Heal me. Yeah. Ready defenses, okay? They're gonna look us. Take space east side, okay? Deftox watch my front. Kill the guards. Open the gate back sa likod. Yo, heal on him. Yo, take space southeast side. Take space southeast side.
Huwag i-regenerate malayo mong support,
Yeah, take space southeast side. Yo, open the gate behind, okay? Yo, clear the guards, okay? Ready absorb, okay? Ready absorb one, okay? Wait. Ready? Looking, defense shallow. Shaper. Okay? Wait. Yo, healing hood, get ready. Look at the gate. Healing hood. On the gate. Northwest. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now. Come back.
May shit bomb sa likod. Uy, papasok sa southeast.
Spread.
Naging B, Ingat.
Yo, get out of the choke. Why are you all on the choke? Come southeast. Push southeast now. Push this. Why are you guys all on the choke? Dude, alam nyo na nga, it was already caught that there was a bomb there, but you guys tried to stay on the choke, man. Come follow me, Marlika, follow me. You destroy this wall here. Destroy this wall on the west side. I already said.
Nalabas sila.
There's yeah. Okay. Get ready. Southwest. Look at southwest. Daddy B, get ready. Southwest 5. Southwest 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest now. No. Now come back. Full kite now. Ready. Absorb. Hold them. Deftox. Hold them. Spread northeast. Spread northeast. Okay. Spread northeast. Keep spreading. Defend now. Defend shallow. Demons. Heal up. Demons and heals.
Nice.
Destroy this wall here. Destroy this wall. Yo, we start killing tanks inside. I'm waiting for my life curse and I'm waiting for my root bond. Yo, everything inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything inside. Kill this guards here. Kite back muna. Kite back is.
Pwede mo patayin yung fortune na yan.
Yung Foxy Rune.
Yung Foxy Rune.
Ready. Defend. Help no name.
Sige na ko.
Help no name.
Grabe tong Foxy Rune yung one hammer.
Sige. Okay.
Ingat ta. Southeast merong bomb yung
Yo,
brawler, yung gloves bomb. Southeast.
Yo, bonk this. Pa-watch ng south side yan. Kill the guards here. Yo, ready. They're gonna look. Ready your potions again. We're gonna go deep again.
Silence ko.
Yo, listen.
Engage siya, nag-engage.
Yo, yeah. You look at the tank inside. 5. Wait. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Na. Okay, come back. Daddy B, pag ganun, hatak lang. Wag mo i-guard, wag mo i-earth rune.
Wala akong hatak, nakamulip, ano ako,
Sige. E di, i-ano mo, i-ganunin mo muna bago ka magano.
Sorry, di ko natamaan.
Shaper. Spreads. Yeah, destroy this gate, destroy this wall outside. We need space, guys, destroy that wall.
Full heal, please.
Full heal ng front ko. Ready defenses, okay? They're looking. Yeah, ready your potions. We're gonna walk in again and go. Okay, wait, walk in deep. Southwest, look at the GA. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Send it on me. Ano, come back. Sige. They cleric or something. Okay, come northeast. Sige, spread now. Spread outside. The bomb is. Main engage gonna look soon. Heal ratios.
Ratios, harap.
Okay, now heal up.
Wait lang.
Yo, smash this walls outside. You're ready? Defense north. Look at me. DPS, look at me. Shallow, on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow on me. Kill the tank inside. Okay, now spread side. Sige. Spread side. Look. Yo, listen. Come north. Watch out. Yo, listen. Pag nag-engage siya. Careful south. Yo, defend front. Okay, nice. Yo, listen. If I say engage on top of me, can I get guard runes on top of me?
Basag na tong wall dito.
Okay, everyone get ready. Defense. Oh my god.
3% na.
Defenses.
Shaper.
Everyone southwest. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest. Nice, come back. Yo, pag wala kayong boots, pag wala kayong potions, pag wala kayong kahit anong defenses, huwag niyo i-force. Spread northeast. Yo, pag-break na itong wall, may sira na to eh.
2% na to. Guys.
Can you
ready?
box
Okay, spread. They're looking. Careful inside. Heal Cerezo, why are you that deep? Why are you there? Why? Why is my DPS dying far north side? Konti na nga na DPS ko eh. Ready? Everyone, defend shallow. South shallow. Walk. Just walk. Shaper. Just walk. Southwest. South. Look at south. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southside. Oh, come northeast. Heal front. Come east. Heal front. Come east. The whole bomb squad's dead. Come east.
Bomber.
Demis. Push this east. Push this guys.
Ito, annoying to mga to. Annoying yung mga
Okay, now come back. Come back. Okay, come west. Yeah, get ready pots, ready your potions. We're gonna walk in again. Get ready your potions. We're gonna walk in. Wait. Step up a bit. Take space now. You get ready. Pop potion. Walking deep. West deep. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now. Come back. They're gonna turn here. Ready defenses. They're gonna turn here. Give me knight armors and come back northeast. Come northeast. Okay. Yeah. Now take space southeast side now. Huwag kayong magstay outside. Take space inside Terry. Maharlika, take space inside Terry and kill the guards. Okay?
Nandito na ulit ako.
Yo, get ready. Give me a GA setup. Wait, I'm gonna tell you when. Okay? Wait. If they clump up, you see this west side here? Ito, kung nasaan ako west side. Pag nag-clump up sila dito pa setup ng west side, okay? Mag-re-react ako na mabilis. Yo, ready DPS ready Kill the guards inside DPS. Focus on the guards. Q's on the guards. Ready defenses Hodge is looking. Ready defenses. Hodge is looking. Ready defenses, okay? Yo, my tanks, you can start walking the gate there, northwest side, okay? Yo,
May
careful,
mage
careful.
pala.
Yeah, I see the mage. Huwag kayo sa south side banda. Dito lang, sa east side ko lang. Sa east side ko lang. Okay, pabonk na tong gate na to. Pabonk tong gate na to. Okay, pabonk tong gate na to. Just hold. Yeah, why am I missing now a DPS similarity?
Punta ka dito sa...
Andito ako sa baba. Andito sa baba. Wala akong pang bonk.
Si Cerezo, wala pa si Cerezo.
Okay. Yo, Q's and W's in this mage naman. Yo, Shaper.
Shaper.
Yo, ready defenses, ready defenses. Oh, everything, wait. Q's and W's on this J. Southwest on the J. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back. Okay, now spread. Reset. Yo, destroy this gate. And actually, no. Come northeast. Cannot. Can we take space here? Yo, start bonking this, wall here. Take space here. Oh, watch the side ko. Everyone take space northeast side. My healers can stay on the choke there, east side. Just ready defenses, ready pushes. Start bonking the walls here. Shaper. Yung Marlica, get ready. Healing on the top of me. Everything on top of me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything on top of me. Yo, listen. Heal on early, okay? If I'm gonna engage inside, heal on early. Inside, okay? Brawl inside.
QW naman ng mga tank na nasa loob, Ang dami.
Yeah, Q's and W's on the tanks inside. Careful. Spread northeast side.
Tara, this day, bong tayo. Shaper, Sorry,
Kill the guards here, Q's and W's. Shaper's looking, okay? Yo, get ready healing nodes on top of me. I wanna kill the tanks, man. Kill these guards inside. Yo, defense shallow. Okay, wait. Yo, get ready. Yo, help. Okay, no. Listen. Wait. West side, look at west side. Healing at west side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Healing at west side. Oh, nice. Come back. Good job.
Pag-guards, kawawa yung healer.
He's na bisang guards. You bonk this wall here. Bonk the walls here. Bonk the walls here.
Pahil sila ratios.
Pahil front. Pahil
Bakit?
ng front.
Yasu.
Kill the guards.
Shaper
Southeast side. Yo, ready. Healing na on top, okay? Yo, how many percent is that wall? Pabonk na wall.
70.
Pabonk na
Mugi
wall.
may mga north. May gumagalaw pa north.
I see it.
Nag-invi si Dancho.
Kasatis. Heal near. Kasatis. Come east, heal near. Kasatis. Heal node, get ready. Look at the gate, west side, heal node, get ready. West side. Wait. Yo, look at the tanks west side, okay? Heal nodes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Heal node. Yo, much earlier, guys.
Dismount na sa east yung yung cheater bomber.
Shaper. Walkies. East. Hello, not following me. Hello. Yo, comes out. Pakatch nga. Never mind, di nakatch.
Sobrang annoying naman. Nakakapatay sila eh.
Reset ka na. Yo, can we kiss and the on this, on this battle mount? Pa-dismount na to eh. Yo, get ready. Healing node, can you set up already on top of the tanks already? Yo, get ready wait. Careful front. Oh,
Looking na.
Oh, yo,
Okay nga,
careful. West side Wait. Yo, healing node, west side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No. Hit everything on me. No, Diman. Good. Come up. Heal up front. Heal up. Yo, careful. Spread east side. Yun, kailangan natin mapatay yung mga tanks sa taas natin. Lancely, low HP ka na. Pwede ka na mag-out dyan. Hello, Lancely?
Ito.
Patay si Lance.
Ay, hindi ka pa mamatay. Yo, look at inside on the tanks. Healing node inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Healing node inside. Yo, can I get guard rune fast on top of me? Ay, good yun. Everyone just hold.
Looking
Yo, hold. They're looking Get out of the gate. Shaper. Yo, careful north side. Punta namin yung tanks sa north side. Tatangan nyo. Come northeast. Tatangan nyo. Yung buong leg niya nasa south side, nasa southeast side. Anong dinedepensa niyo sa north side? Sabihin niyo sana, anong dinedepensa niyo sa north side? Explain.
Hill front, hill front, hill front, hill front.
What are you guys defending on north side? Tell me why you have to be so stupid. Tell me. What's on the north side? There's a wall there. Majority of my zergs on the southeast side, on the east side. So why are you north side? Why? Yeah, think about it. You're ready. Everyone, Helionids, get ready. Northwest side. Helionids, west side. Get ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Naked back. They're gonna look here. Ready defenses. 4 tanks dies on the north side. And I wonder why, to be honest. I really wonder why. Research your cooldown.
They're moving out,
Yeah, let them. Ready, your potions. We're gonna walk in deep. Ready, poppy pots walking deep. Def tanks, so them southwest side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest side. More damage. Spread east side. Okay, nice try.
Come
northeast. Defend now. Full defend. Full heals. Okay, now spread northeast. Kill Yotob. Why is Yotob dying? Why is Yotob dead?
Shaper.
Come northeast.
Mutation ng bomb na ano.
Lumayo siya sa third.
Nice. Ay, si Bal. Ay, naku. Ganun pa ako kinamamatay. Everyone get ready. Fuck. Ang bobo ng tanks ko, naiinis ako. Wait lang. Looking, Help front. Okay, wait. Everyone, full send it west side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything in the west side.
Uy!
Shaper. Demon that shaper. Come back. Spread northeast now. Yeah, we're gonna bait them outside there now. Come northeast. Yo, cleanses, garden. Come northeast, garden. Come. Kick me. Help Wayne. Kick me north. Okay, walk out. Follow, Zerg. Follow. Death tanks if you die. If you die again. Oh. Waiting for my DPS gear. How many people in party 2 DPS?
Dalawa.
Okay. I need more DPS.
DPS pala ako.
Okay, this guards. Are they following?
4 minutes, Sosi.
Yeah, double OC. Are they following?
Hindi.
Bro, why are they not following?
Check your food.
Are they not following?
No.
Hindi. Nakamount sila.
Lumalabas iba.
Yeah. Try to catch if you can.
Andito yung soul site,
Southwest shallow. Get ready. 5. Everything on the J. 4, 3, 2, 1. Full engage on the J. On the J. Okay, now wait, they're gonna turn here. Okay, they're gonna turn here. Okay. Ready. Defenses. Defend shallow now. Everyone walk in. Def tank hold it. Everyone poppy potion and walking. Yo, we're gonna kill the tanks inside of us. DPS find me. Everything get ready. Northeast side, on top of me. 5. Wait, after the night armors. Everything on top of me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Send it on me. More damage. Let's spread northeast now. They're gonna come here. Spread northeast. They're gonna come here. Spread. Yo, Zancher's inside. Spread.
Yung Shatter bomb side.
Defenses. Okay, heal northeast. Okay,
Shatter bomb side. Nag-inbi.
Okay, wait, Marlico, wait, spread. Demon now, inside. Okay, walk southwest. Marlico, we're gonna engage again, on top,
Full heal.
bakit ka nandyan? Come northeast.
Sumusunod sila, Mugi.
My fucking DPS. You know, my death tanks, my DPS. I'm out of DPS. My death tanks are dying. Holy shit, man. Just walk. DPS is. Are you guys gonna gear? I'm gonna wait. If you guys are gonna gear, I'm gonna wait.
Yeah.
Second food. Just walk. I need dismounted.
Yung iba, dismounted yung iba.
Diyan Daryl, nasa bridge.
Kapil ako ng shaper, oh.
Pakatch.
Nakatch ko to ah.
Kailan. Tatalon ako yan, shaper na yan.
Ping.
Ay, rest eh.
Umalis.
Wait lang.
How many DPS party 2?
Tatlo.
Nawala na
Okay,
yung
sige.
shaper, nawala na.
Everyone, catch this guys. Catch front. Kill front.
Ay, gago.
Puto nga mali pa na
On the
huli
bridge,
mo.
on the bridge.
Yeah, spread northeast side now. Just hold. Your double OC food up. Please, guys.
Dismounted sa bridge.
Yeah. Let them pass through. I swear, if somebody dies on the choke, I'm gonna fucking fume. Shaper, careful. Shaper.
Kaming shaper ata. At lang.
Yo. I'm waiting for DPS, Rigger. I'm waiting for Spike. I see Spike. Ano, Squid? Pangatlong beses mo na namatay this ano? This
Andre. May bad
Pangatlong beses mo na namatay. I'm Ortiz. Dude, can they fucking play open world? Yo, can you catch this? Patayin niyo lahat ng makita niya.
Sumusunod sila Mugi yan.
Yeah. They're passing the choke?
Yeah.
Okay. Yo, kamis pa. Yo, death tanks ang layo nyo sa akin. Kamis pa. Na-spread. Yo, get ready to hold them on the choke. Don't let them go back to the choke. Yo, ready. Pajay na choke. Yo, pajay na choke. Everything on the choke. Southwest shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest shallow. Yo, demon in front. Kamis. Kamak. Spread northeast. Okay? Now, wait. Walking now. Get ready to pop your potions. Just walk in. Garden. Yo, ready Wait, walk in. Okay, pop your potion now. Potion now. Southside. Potion, southside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me. Now walking. Keep walking. Now spread now. They're gonna turn you. Defenses. Full event. Yo, can you guys spread instantly? After engaging, spread instantly. Heal front. Yo, heal. Where are the healers? Chrono died because there's no healer. Keep walking. No fear. Keep walking. We win open world. Keep walking. Death tank. Yo, look at me. Southwest. 5, south, 4, 3, 2, 1. South now. Hit this on me. Now spread again. They're gonna look. Spread again. They're gonna look. Now, defense now and walk in. Defense and walk in. Keep pushing. Death tank, keep holding. GA if you can, keep holding. Full hold now. Look at this choke here on me. Look at Zancher. Everything on Zancher. Get ready on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Send it on me. Kill the guys inside. Okay, now spread northeast now. Get out of the choke again. Spread northeast. You declump. I know they're looking. Defense side. Okay? Now hold. Come back north. Yo, healers, if I say full push, just push it, man. You know, you can play on the sides. Ang tagal dun ni Chrono. Nag-aantay ng il. Wala, patay. Can you guys, if I tell you...
Kami sa bridge.
Didn't you guys pop your potions?
CD kasi yung big heal ko.
Come northeast. You kill this. Ano? Lumalabas ba sila ulit? Come northeast.
Sumusunod sila.
Let them follow. We can fight them, KFPD's mass. They have, Come northeast.
Where's our looter? Can I...
Following sila.
Everyone get ready. Boots up east side.
May stop ko tumugi sa choke. Kita ko mo.
Boots up east side. Wait lang. Bakit? Mantap.
Crossing sila.
Wait. Sige. Dismount comes out. Saan sila?
Wala, hindi tumuloy.
Yeah, mantap. Are they not walking out? Come southeast. Pa-watch. Everyone comes out. Yeah, dismount. Come west side. Catch if you can. Catch all of them here. Catch them. Wala man lang na-catch.
Risk mount na. Makakatch ako.
Okay. Come back northeast. Sige.
Ayun, layo nyo.
Come back east. Let them. We pull them back. They keep hiding in their territory. Come back. Yo, don't attack that beetle. Just keep petting. Are they coming?
Yeah. Just dito na yung mga tank na nasa harap natin.
Yo, follow me. Hello.
Ba't nagpunta sa choke?
Hello. Follow me.
Turtle, mahuhuli ko tong turtle. Malayo ito masyado.
Chill. Sige. Huli mo. Come northwest. Catch him. Catch him. West side. Look at west side shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. West side shallow on me.
Ano yung DPS nila?
Ay.
Hindi mo makita yung DPS nila. Puro top
Come east side. Come southeast side. Take space outside. Come south.
Andito yung
Come south. Keep coming south. Just follow me. Come south. They're hiding inside their territory. Come south.
Catch ko Tamogi. Andito sila.
Ang layo niyan, pre. 2 screens away yan. Come southeast. Mantap nga. Puro sila territory.
Uphill sila.
Come northeast.
Looking at you.
Looking.
I'm mounted.
Ulo si Raymond.
Dismount. Yo, Raymond, catch mo na. Andiyan ka na rin naman eh.
Nahuli lahat.
Southwest shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest on me. Okay, now push in and spread. Push in and spread. Push in and spread. Push in and spread. They're gonna engage you now. Get ready defenses. Push in and spread. Defense now. Proper potion defense now. Okay, keep walking northwest now. We're gonna full engage on the choke. Get ready. Hold them on the choke. Full hold on the choke, please. Full hold on the choke. Everything. Send it on the choke. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Send it on me. More DPS. Okay, come back. Sige, come back. Wala na, come back. Miss opportunity. They don't have engage yet. Miss opportunity. Defense shallow. Nice defenses. Okay? Sold. Dami na sa oras dito. Teteri lang sila. Yeah, DPS, ready. Load Zancher. Everything on Zancher. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything on Zancher. Come back. Yo, they're gonna engage. Engage coming soon. Ready your potions. Do you have potions?
Yeah.
Yo, listen. Get ready. Yo, pop pots. Walking. Guardian, pots walking. Hold them. Yo, I'm north side on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Send it on me. Send it. More damage. Comes out. I mean, dude, the reason bakit pinapop ko kayo ng potion kasi mas madali yun. Defense shallow.
Yung biba mo sa south ng invis ha. South side.
Spread. Demon behind. Keep coming southwest. Yo, come on. Catch this guy. North side. Yun nasa north side. Man, catch nyo.
Ingat over the wall.
Careful over the wall. Nag-engage sila. Sige lang. Catch that guy. Wala ba makakatch sa kanya? Fucking solo bomber there. Keep on. Mantap. Tigil na natin to. Come northeast. Tumisa pag minahuli. Regroup on me, Marlica. Keep coming northeast. Yo, listen. Again, I'm trying to minimize the casualties, right? 3 times in this whole fight,